Hello children, welcome to Sujitra ma'am's geography class. Today we are going to learn about the earth in the solar system. Hope you all have seen the picture of solar system. So today we will study about solar system in detail. The system formed by the sun, 8 planets, satellites, asteroids and various other celestial bodies is called the solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. An easy way to memorize the names of planets in order of their distance from the sun is my very efficient mother just served us noodles. So here M stands for Mercury, V stands for Venus, E stands for Earth, M stands for Mars, J stands for Jupiter, S stands for Saturn, U stands for Uranus and N stands for Neptune. First planet, that is Mercury. Mercury is the innermost and smallest planet in the solar system. Second is Venus. Venus is known as Earth's twin planet because its size and shape is very much similar to that of our Earth. Third planet, that is our Earth. It is also known as blue planet because 2/3 surface is covered by water. Next is Mars. Mars is the 4th planet in our solar system and it is also called as red planet because of presence of iron. Next is Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet in our solar system and largest planet in our solar system. Next is Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet from the sun and it is second largest planet in the solar system. Next is Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet in our solar system and it is the coldest planet. It is known as the coldest planet in our solar system. Last, it is Neptune. Neptune is the 8th planet in our solar system and it is the most distant planet from the sun. So, you know all the 8 planets in order: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So all these 8 planets revolve around the sun on a fixed orbit. That is, orbit means it is a fixed path on which all these planets revolve around the sun. There are celestial bodies. The sun, the moon and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. Even our star, it has its own heat and light. That is why it shines in the sky. But planets do not shine in the sky because they do not have their own heat and light. They lit the lights from other stars. Here you can see the picture of solar system. With all the planets, they revolve around the sun on fixed orbit. This is the picture of stars. Okay, when you watch night sky, you can see stars, billions of stars. Full moon night is also known as Purnima. And after a fortnight, you will be not able to see moon at all. That is called Amavasya. During that time, you will be not able to see the moon in the night sky. Here you can see a girl looking at the North Star. In ancient time, people determined this direction by looking at the North Star.